Hey everyone, got a great little blues song here for you today, and I'm always really happy when I learn a new turnaround. Uh, this one's in the key of E, and it's a song by Freddie King. And it's a guitar song, but it works well on piano, so let's give it a try. And it's called Hideaway. So listen to the song first. There's a link down in the description, and then come on back if you don't get distracted, and we'll go over this song, and I'll show you how to do it on piano. So it's a basic pattern like this. You're on E and B, and you're going up to the sixth here, back and forth. It's kind of got a swing feel, but I think it works just fine just going like this. The guitar comes in like this. All right, and there's a nice little rhythm pattern in here with just the third and the seventh. So, okay, let's go over that. So, we're trying to bend a note here, but actually I think the way Freddie plays it, he does it as a little grace note like that. So, it should sound good on piano too. And then you kind of come right away with the all right, let me do that again. Of course, I'm playing it a little bit slower. It's about this tempo. All right, that's the main part of the song there. So I'll go over it a little bit more with you. We start with the riff. Okay. And here, while you're on A, it's just a half step lower than where we were. So, and don't worry about this little dissonance here. It sounds cool. All right, so make sure you can do this. Practice that. We do it 3 times. So, and then back to our riff in A. The way I do it, I just use 3 fingers, and then cross over, use 3, and then a little bend like that. Now here it's kind of I guess it would be quarter note triplets. 1, da, 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 da. And so many turnarounds kind of go like this. But this one's so nice. You could use this idea anywhere. It's just like that. Works there. I mean, it would even work on a real fancy jazz blues like, let's see. kind of reminds me of the Ray Charles turnaround, which is like... But that's just that simple. It's just so funky. I love it. One more time on this great song. Now, there's some other things in the song that you might want to play. I don't know how you would do this as solo piano. The riff is this. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess up to tempo, it's full enough. You don't have to add anything, but you could go something like... Or you could even, I don't know if that really works, or you could just put this with it. And then it's just kind of a verse of rhythm. Come up a half step for the B, and then now I don't know how he does this on guitar, because it's kind of hard to hit two notes close together like that, but he's got a way to do it. And then he does this really cool run in sixth. So let's take that, we call this stop time blues or stop blues. All right, so these two notes and the E up here. Do it again. The sixths. To improvise on it, the E blues scale is pretty easy. It's all white keys, except for this. And you know, when Freddie does this, that's using the blues scale. But most of the time, he's using this other one. And usually, that doesn't work as well on the A seventh, you know, because of this note. But as long as you're just doing this, you know, it has the quality of, you know, I think I heard my cousin George Winston play this blues song that kind of used that kind of scale. And it kind of reminds me of the Grateful Dead or Canned Heat, maybe a song that they did. I can't really think of what it would be, but just using this kind of major blues scale or pentatonic scale, right? It's a pentatonic. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6 with the passing tone there, makes it into a blues scale. I just love that turnaround. That's the tune, Freddie King. There's no sheet music for it. You have to watch my fingers. I'll try to do some close-ups there, and I hope I played it slow enough that you can figure it out. It's a really great song to learn because if you have a guitar player friend, you know, blues in E lays very nicely on the guitar. Blues in E, blues in A. So it's good to be comfortable in those keys. So this is a great song for that. All right, thanks everyone.